frog hands. Just dandy. Oh no, no, no. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So something very, very exciting is happening today. Let me show you this. What the heck is happening? So for today's video, I have a whole pile of Wish products next to me. Yep, it's another Wish video. I freaking love Wish. If you didn't already know, I have a whole playlist on my channel. And over the last year to 2 years, I've collected a lot of random items that for some reason or another, I've never ended up filming with. So I thought I would film with them, and this may be a 1, 2, or 3 part series depending on how long it takes me to get through this pile. I have pretty much no idea what I'm going to uncover in this pile. They are just random deliveries that I've never really looked at, so I'm gonna dive in. Here we go. Woo! Don't know where to start. Description of contents: gear fins. I don't remember ordering gear fins. I don't even know what they are, but we're just gonna see what Wish has sent us. Oh, I do remember ordering these. Oh my goodness. They can come with me on holiday. Are they actually meant for swimming? Wait. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So this is what has arrived. I'm pretty sure that these go on your hands and make your hands kind of like frog hands, and then you can swim faster, which is just in time. I'm actually going on a 3-week holiday. I will be vlogging the whole thing and I will be updating my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on my vlog channel or Instagram, go do that now. And I'm going to be doing a lot of swimming, snorkeling, and scuba diving. So these have just come in time. They are stuck together. Oh no, okay, we're in. We're in. These are not easy to put on. Once I've got this hand on, how am I supposed to put this hand on? And it's cutting off the blood circulation in my fingers. Good. This is insane. Why am I out of breath doing that? Fancy. I really think it's cutting off the blood circulation in my fingers. I now have frog hands. Look at this. I can swim with this. I wonder if it helps. I'm going to take these on holiday and I will report back to you, see if I can get them both on. God, imagine me. I'm just sat on the beach. Everyone's playing in the water and I'm like, one moment, I'm putting on my frog hands. Give me a second. Oh, that was easy. This is only product 1 and it's taken me about 20 minutes to get it on my hand. Oh my gosh. I think I want to wear these for the rest of the video, just because I'm too lazy to take them off my hands. Oh, this is just tragic. Okay, these could come in useful. I mean, my hands still work as hands. So I don't know why evolution hasn't done this for us, because if this helps us swim, that'd be great. I can text, I can grab things, I can say number 1, number 2. It's great. I can't wear rings, however. So no getting married for me because the ring would just sit here. But they're great. Oh, they're quite easy to, they are easy to get off. Oh yeah. Ooh, done. The next thing has come wrapped in a little bit of this polystyrene-y stuff. I don't know what this is called, but I remember ordering this and I'm very excited to test it out. So I'm pretty sure you attach this to a bottle and then you can fire water at people. This is the device. So it basically looks like, okay, I'm gonna have some fun with this if it works. So this is the little device. It's a little yellow pump. It has a button on it, and then this goes onto a bottle. What if that doesn't screw onto a bottle? I don't even know if I have a bottle. Oh no. I have a plastic bottle. What if this is the wrong size? Oh no. Oh, does it go on? No. Come on, Evian. Don't let me down. Oh no. This is my last chance. Oh goodness. This is not smart. Please fit. Please fit. Okay. Okay, give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna tip this into another container. This thing might work. I filled it up with water, so I'm just gonna put this, don't know if this is the right hole. That's gonna be way too tall for this bottle. Should we cut it or should we just make it bend? We'll cut it. And I'm gonna twist it. And then I'm gonna pump. I'm scared. Okay, I'm thinking maybe I gotta click the button. Well, that's good. I'm pumping it. Okay, I was expecting that to come out in one. Have you got water on you? I think there's water all over the place. I was expecting it to come out in like a stream, so I was aiming it in a safe zone. It's gone everywhere. There's a plug board down in front of me. I've got lighting, I've got my camera. So I'm gonna lay a towel down and then we'll try again. You pump it like so, and then you go. Oh, good. And now it looks like I've wet myself. I covered the floor where it went last time, and this time it's gone over me. So I'm gonna get another towel, we're gonna put it over me, and then we're gonna try this a third time. It does feel like the bottle's gonna explode. What is that? Can you even see that coming out? It's just like a... Whoa! It's soaked. Like actually soaked. I'm just covering things in water at this point. The spray reached further than expected. My floor is soaked, my purse is soaked, everything is soaked, my camera tripod is soaked. Okay, if you want to invest in one of these beautiful products, maybe play with it outside. I learnt the hard way because I'm stupid and I didn't think it through. It goes everywhere. It goes everywhere. Next item, I have actually seen before, but I kind of wanted to get my own one. And it's a little, oh my goodness. That really scared me. Thought I'd broken it. It's a little umbrella for your head. So inside here, you have this little thing that goes around your head. And then I'm thinking you push this. Oh goodness. And then, oh, it fits around my bun. Oh, this is great. Look at this. Oh, I thought it was gonna fall off. Good day, how are you doing? I am not wet, although actually it's tipping back quite a bit. Maybe we'll actually try and put it around my head. Oh my goodness. Oh no, oh no. Wow, I look ridiculous. But if I were to go outside today, where it is raining in the UK, I would be just dandy. Look at this. No hand umbrella. I can look over here, and I'm good. No ruined makeup, no ruined hair, apart from this is kind of ruining my hair, but we're okay with that. Just fine. I'd be nice and dry, and I've got 2 hands free to do whatever I fancy. I'm happy with my investment. This is quite grand. I like this. If you saw someone wearing this downtown, would you, option A, laugh, point, and stare? Or option B, run over to them and be like, dude, where'd you get your hat? Because I need one. I'm gonna go with option B, or option 2, forgotten which I said. Roll it away, pop it in your handbag. I'm very happy with this purchase. I have absolutely no idea what this is. I do not know what I've ordered. I have no idea what this is. I don't know what it is. It's like a mini baby bottle and it's got this black powder stuff in it. And I honestly couldn't tell you what it is. Oh, interesting. So I appear to have ordered a magnet and some iron filings. Wow, exciting stuff, eh? Surely that's not all it does. Woo, okay, that's pretty cool. I quite like this. I don't remember ordering this. I have zero recollection of ordering iron filings. Like, I'm pretty sure I must have ordered it and thought it did something else. I really don't think I ordered this. I remember ordering these. So on Wish, when you're scrolling through, if you go to like the beauty section, you can suddenly see loads of random fake teeth, but these kept coming up and they're like fake grills for your teeth. And so I ordered some. Hip hop grills, instructions. Do I need instructions? Yeah, I need instructions. I didn't know it was gonna be this hard. I thought it was gonna be really easy and you just put your teeth in them, but apparently not. They've actually come with this little piece of plastic that sits inside them and that you push your teeth into. So basically, I'm gonna put this into some boiling hot water, put it into this, shove it onto my teeth, and if you didn't hear that, that was shove it. I've lost it. I'm gonna shove this onto my teeth, and it will set into place and match my teeth perfectly. I'm gonna go get some hot water. We'll see how this goes. Oh, also they gave me some little tweezers. Deep, 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 deep. That's what noise tweezers make, apparently. Deep, deep, deep. Fix them. Uh-oh, I've done it wrong. Oh no. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh goodness me. Oh, I put them in the water without the grills in it. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. So apparently you only get one shot at this, and I've ruined it. Oh no! Oh my goodness. Right, I didn't read the instructions properly. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, wait, no, it's okay. I think I may have saved myself. Okay, well, I've ruined Nick's coffee cup. That's good. He's gonna be really happy to come home to that. There were 4 steps. That's all there was, 4 steps. And I managed to mess it up. So you're meant to put the little piece of plastic thing in the grills before putting it in the hot water. I just put the plastic thing into the hot water. It dissolved almost. I've saved a little bit of it. We're gonna try this again. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm going to dunk these in here with my tweezers. Oh no, the stuff's popping out anyway. This is ridiculously hard to do. And then I'm gonna put this in my mouth, but isn't it gonna be, oh my God, it's boiling hot. I can't put this in my mouth. It's hot. I cannot put my teeth into this. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. I'm gonna burn my teeth. Wait, I don't think I've done this right. Ow. Okay. Wait, I think it's set. Is it in? Is it staying in? Okay, so this is the final look. Ew. What is this? I'm gonna put it back in the hot water. It doesn't like me. Okay. Hot. Okay. Whew. Oh, wow. Okay. Are you ready? Is it set? Is it good? Do I look good? Oh no. What has happened? Do people wear these? I'm spitting everywhere. I can't even talk properly in these. Oh my gosh. The glue stuff has gone all through the bottom of that. How do you know? I'm so confused. That cannot be right. This is just, it's stupid. I don't understand. This is literally the best I can do. Oh my goodness. Look at it. I just don't think this is a thing. I'm spitting everywhere. I'm part lisping and it looks insane. I have mini fangs and it keeps popping off. Oh my gosh, there's dribble everywhere. Not the biggest fan of this product. I'm pretty sure when you get real grills, they're like actually coated onto the teeth. This just doesn't really work. However, if you are going to a fancy dress party and you just need it for the night, I'm pretty sure these were free, so it's not too bad. Extremely late to this little challenge, but this is a little Kylie lip kit type thing that you put your lips into and it makes them bigger. It's a little love heart shaped thing and it's got an opening here and I'm just gonna put my lips into it, I guess, and then suck the air out. And I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna try and do this well. Oh my God, my lips can't even get in there. Oh my gosh, it stinks. It smells so bad. It smells so bad. What is that? It doesn't even smell of rubber. It smells of like, I don't even want to put my lips near it. It's so gross. My lips won't fit in it. This is ridiculous. Okay, I found out how you do it. So you squish it closed, push your lips inside and then open it up like this. Wait. Any difference? Or has it just, is there a difference? Or has it just, I think it's just taken my makeup off around my lips and made the whole area red. I can't tell. I think it's just taking my makeup off. But in order to get the suction right on this and to get it to seal properly, it seems like you need to put this amount of lip in there, which I don't really fancy doing. So I'm gonna go and reapply my makeup. And I don't like this product. Ruined my makeup. Excuse my makeup for the rest of this video because I can't fix it. It just looks like I got a mini moustache. I ordered a ton of slime when slime was like a big thing. I know there's a pretty big slime community, don't get mad at me, but it was like a huge, huge thing. And then I just never filmed the slime video. So here we go. I'm going to open some slime. Yes. Ah, careful with scissors, kids. Dun, 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 dun. It went all over me. Oh no, I think it's gone bad. Ooh. Ooh. There's just water coming out of it. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, can you see this? Oh no! Oh my gosh, it's going Oh my gosh, it's going everywhere. Wait, let me just try and mix the water back into the slime. I don't know if it's meant to be like that or if it's just been sat in my bedroom for too long. My floor has got slime juice on it. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Oh wow. This may be some of the nicest slime I've ever played with. Oh my goodness. Who made this? This is great. Well, that failed, didn't it? It's like the perfect mix between normal slime, butter slime, and like fluffy slime. Like the perfect mix. I don't even know. Okay, obsessed. I like this slime a lot. I love it. I love it so much. Woo! Oh no, no, no! I saved it. It's okay. Woo, that was a close call. That's not really working, is it? That's why I'm not a slime person, because I can't do it. Oh my goodness.
What? Did you print screen it? Did you print screen it?
No, I didn't print screen it. I missed it. I hit a million. If you are one of my subscribers, thank you so freaking much. You do mean the absolute world to me. If you have watched all this way through the video, then go ahead and comment down below. I was your 1 millionth subscriber. Comment that down below in the comment section, and yeah, I will see you guys next Friday at 6 p.m. Bye. I love you lots and lots and lots, like jelly tots.